Nature is full of incredible colors, but few colors stand out more than yellow. Some yellow animals use their bright color to warn predators. Others use it for camouflage. And some simply look too beautiful to be real. Yes, 10 beautiful yellow animals. Today, we are exploring 10 of the most beautiful and remarkably yellow animals on earth. And trust me, the number one creature looks absolutely unbelievable. At number 10, we have the ghost crab. This tiny beach creature is faster than it looks. The ghost crab. These crabs can move incredibly fast across beaches while blending into the sand. Speedy sand runners. Yes, they are the speedy sand runner. Their pale yellow color helps them stay hidden from predators, and their long eyes make them look almost alien-like. At number 9, we have the yellow warbler. This tiny bird looks like a flying ray of sunshine. The yellow warbler. These birds are famous for their cheerful songs and bright golden feathers. They are nature's tiny singer. They migrate across huge distances every year. They are long-distance migrators, and despite their small size, their color makes them impossible to ignore. You cannot ignore them because of their color, yellow color. At number 8, we have the yellow tang. This glowing fish lights up coral reefs like underwater gold. Yes, the yellow tang. Found mainly in tropical oceans, these fish are one of the most recognizable reef species. Underwater sunshine. Their bright yellow color helps them communicate and attract mates. Their bright yellow color helps them to communicate and attract mates. And honestly, they look absolutely magical underwater. At number 7, we have the Burmese python. This next animal is most beautiful and terrifying. The Burmese python, most beautiful while terrifying at the same time. Some rare Burmese pythons have incredible golden yellow patterns. Golden giant snake. These massive snakes can grow over 20 feet long, and despite their beauty, they are powerful predators. So don't joke or try them. Don't joke with them or try them. At number 6, we have the American goldfinch. This beautiful bird becomes especially bright during breeding season. Oh yes, the American goldfinch become especially bright during breeding season. Its bright yellow feathers make it one of North America's most colorful birds. Flying gold. Yes, that is what it is. These birds love sunflower seeds and often visit backyard feeders. And their bright color makes them look almost unreal in sunlight. But the truth is, they are real. At number 5, we have the land iguana. This reptile looks like a miniature dinosaur. The land iguana reptile looks like a miniature dinosaur. Found mainly in the Galapagos Island, these animals can display beautiful yellow and golden tones. Found mainly in the Galapagos Islands. Oh yes, they are the mini dinosaur. They spend their days basking in the sun and feeding on plants. And honestly, they look like creatures from prehistoric times. Yes. At number 4, we have the banana slug. This strange creature gets its name from its color, the banana slug. These giant yellow slugs live in moist forest and can grow surprisingly large. The living banana, that is what it is. Some even smell slightly fruity. And despite looking weird, they play an important role in forest ecosystem. At number 3, we have the yellow common seahorse. This animal looks like something from a fantasy world. The yellow common seahorse. These tiny ocean creatures are masters of camouflage. They are the tiny ocean dragon. Seahorses are unique because the males carry and give birth to the babies. Yes, you heard me correctly. Seahorses are unique because the males carry and give birth to the babies, and their graceful movements make them mesmerizing to watch. At number 2, we have the apple snail. This colorful creature may look harmless, but apple snails are fascinating survivors. Their bright yellow shells make them stand out in freshwater habitats. They are nature's golden spiral. These snails can survive both underwater and on land for short periods, and their appearance makes them look like living jewels. The appearance of the yellow shells makes them look like living jewels. Oh yes, that is the apple snail. At number 1, we have the yellow mongoose. The yellow mongoose, and now it is the most remarkable yellow animal on this list. Yes, the yellow mongoose is the most remarkable yellow animal on this list. Yes, this small predator lives in South Africa and has beautiful golden yellow fur. They are incredibly fast, intelligent, and fearless. They are incredibly fast, intelligent, and fearless. Yellow mongoose hunt insects, rodents, and even dangerous snakes. You heard me correctly. They hunt even dangerous snakes that you fear. And their curious behavior makes them one of the most fascinating animals in the world. Bonus facts here are: yellow colors can warn predators about danger. Some animals change color during mating season. Bright colors help attract mates. Many yellow animals use yellow. Oh, many yellow animals use camouflage to survive. Many yellow animals use camouflage to survive. Nature's, oh God, nature loves color. So, which yellow animal amazed you the most? The glowing yellow Tang, the giant Burmese python, or the adorable yellow mongoose? Comment below which yellow animal was your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on the notification for more amazing wildlife videos. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, comment, and turn on notification button for more amazing wildlife videos. And remember, nature is the greatest artist on earth. Nature is the greatest artist on earth. Subscribe for more videos, more wildlife videos. Travel the world with me, your boy Stevie God. Travel the world with me, your only boy Stevie God. Peace for tourism promotion and economic development. Peace be with you all. Peace.